mind is also known as a question. Always talking about what he wants, he just sits on his boots. So no, I don't want your number, no. I don't wanna give you mine, and no, I don't wanna meet you nowhere, no. Don't want none of your time, and no, I don't want no scrub. The scrub doesn't gotta can't get no love from me. Hanging on the passenger side, his best friend's ride, trying to holler at me. I don't want no scrub. The scrub doesn't gotta can't get no love from me. Hanging on the passenger side, his best friend's ride, trying to holler at me. No scrub, the scrub doesn't
You gotta go and get angry at all of my honesty. You know I try, but I don't do too well with apologies. I hope I don't run out of time, cause someone call a referee. Cause I just need one more shot, have forgiveness. I know that I made those mistakes maybe once or twice. And by once or twice, I mean maybe a couple of hundred times. So let me redeem on myself tonight. Cause I just need one more shot, a second chance. Yeah. Is it too late now to say sorry? Cause I'm missing more than just your body. Oh, is it too late now to say sorry? Yeah, I know that I let you down. Is it too late to say sorry now?
She wanna give it to me after dark. Cause it just girl, me like she loved it. She loved it up and she tipped the hot tub.
He said he met this little girl by the name of Anika. With my body shape, all the boys wanna freak her. Brother na boss, he be doing the most. If I look at his friend, he be gripping the toes. So I took him to the crib to kill him with it. Put my legs behind my head, I hit the ceiling with it. When I put it in his mouth, I couldn't believe it. He looked me in my eyes and said he wanna breathe it. Pasa, pasa, you ain't got no wings in me, pasa. Big step, Mufasa. Get the pretty naked, get the Peace Plaza. Some of them say them gully, some of them say them Gaza.
Montana!